Before we start installing the filter bags, let's get everything ready. Step 1. Clean the cell plate. Step 2. Place the unopened box of filter bags next to the dust collector. Step 3. Ensure the cell plate mat is smooth and free of burrs. All set. Now let's move on to the installation. Take out the filter bag and slowly feed the filter bag from the bottom of the bag into the cell plate hole. Pay attention to the direction of 3 needle sewing threads to make sure it is not on the windward side of the dust collector. Insert the snap iron filter bag top mouth into the cell plate. After the filter bag body is naturally vertical, use your thumb to snap one side of the bind. Bend the bag mouth inward into a concave shape, and make sure the bind is fully embedded along the edge of the cell plate. Pull the curved snap bind to the edge of the cell plate to create a tight popping fit, and make sure the snap bind is fully fitted with the cell plate hole. Put the filter cage vertically and slowly, and finally place the filter cage gently on the cell plate. Check if filter bags are installed uniformly and vertically from the dust collector manhole.